Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hina's World. Today, I've brought to all of you a very interesting topic, and the name of the topic is Clown Mask. I have written a beautiful poem for all of you, and I would like to share this poem. So, before we deep dive into the topic of Clown Mask, I would really like to share this poem so that you can think through that what is going to happen next few minutes. And yes, after that, I'm just going to share with you two strong tips which I have incorporated in my life to discipline my life, how to overcome stress. So stay with me. Let me share with you my poem, Clown Mask. There are few days where I want to cry an ocean. I want my tears to trickle down my cheeks, a heavy downpour. I do not resist it at all. In front of all, I like to wear my clown mask, with a wide grin on my face and my sparkling eyes, laughing in your face. I see a crowd surrounding me with so much love, so many friends around, praising me, achievements, awards, applauses. But the moment it unveils, people disperse. It was stupid of me to trust them. But now I love to wear my clown mask. We all wear clown mask. That means we all behave differently when we meet different people. And you know what? We get exhausted. We get tired. Because in this age, we all are drowning in information. So many demands to fulfill, so many things to accomplish, so much of drama goes on. And we all are fighting on a daily basis how to overcome this drama, right? And I'm sure I'm right because we all go through the same phases. Now, I'm going to share with you two strong tips which I have tried to incorporate in my system. So, in order to bring something into your system, you need to be disciplined. And once you get disciplined, it becomes part of your routine. And once it becomes part of your system, like we brush our teeth, we comb our hair, it is part of our system. Unconsciously, also, we know that when we are going to wake up, we need to brush our teeth. So just make it a part of your system and then see the magic. So, the first tip is that align your body and mind. Now, what does this mean? Whenever your body and mind are aligned, then there is going to be harmony. Usually, what happens either your body moves faster than your mind or your mind moves faster than your body. For example, I want to attend a meeting, right? I'm rushing for that meeting and I have so many things piled up that I have to do this, I have to present like this, my this thing is not complete, I have to finish this up. All those things, all those thoughts are rushing into your mind, right? And then suddenly, because of so much effort you have put in for that meeting, your body is exhausted. Your body is tired. You don't feel like giving that presentation. You don't feel motivated. It means your mind and your body are not in alignment. Now, how to do that? How to bring them in alignment? Now, whenever something is not aligned, there is no harmony, there's a discourse, there's a conflict, and every single thing impacts our system. Our feelings change, our thoughts change, the whole environment, the whole aura becomes so negative. So, the simple but the most effective technique is focus on your breath. When you inhale, for example, I'm taking 4 counts, exhale 4 times. Now, what is this doing? When you are inhaling, consciously you're making an effort to exhale also 4 times. Inhale 4 times, exhale 4 times. Inhale 3 times, exhale 3 times. Now you are making a conscious effort to bring your mind and bring your body in alignment. And when there is alignment, always remember there will be harmony. Your thoughts are going to change, your feelings are going to change, and the whole aura is going to change. And you will feel the magic. Trust me, try this and bring this simple technique in your daily lives. And you will see the magic that how you are successfully able to overcome stress. Second strong and important tip is stop it. Now you would be thinking, now what is this all about? Stop it? Yes, I am going to share a very simple and a very daily routine example with all of you. Phone is a very important treasure for all of us. We have our bank accounts, we have our bank details, we have all the passwords, we have our private conversation, business conversations, and it's very impossible for us to just hand in our phone to any other person who comes and asks for it. For the home people, for the people we stay around, we can easily still give if the people are mature. But if somebody just comes up and walks up to us and say that, can you give me your phone? Will I give that person my phone? I don't even know that person. That person is not even important for me. Will I give my phone to that person? Such an important thing of mine. Will I just give away just like that? Think about it. No, right? Same thing happens with our thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts are the most precious part of our body. So if any thought, if any person comes up to you and say anything, don't just get bothered by that. Think. If that thought bothers you, say stop it. Because if that person is not important for you, if the person doesn't have any impact in your life, then just ask that thought to stop it. 90% of the time, we do get carried away by the thoughts which are not very important, which do not play any role in our lives. That one thought that occurs to our mind change our feelings, the negativity just increases, and we just because of that we create a very ugly environment around us because our aura changes. Now what you need to do is that you have to make a conscious effort. This is tried and tested. Something that bothers you, the first thought that comes to your mind, ask that thought to stop it. Because if you'll ask that thought to stop it, it will not invade in your system. And it will not invade in your system, you are going to be much happy person, with a beautiful smile. Try it out. Make an effort and see the magic. So now we are at the end of our talk, Clown Mask. I am sure that you must have learned these few tips from me because it's tried and tested. I am still applying it in my life, and I hope that you can also apply in your life to overcome stress. Don't wear masks to yourself. Be genuine, be positive, stay happy, and stay healthy. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Hina's World. I'll see you next week.